Hello, my Rover friends. Welcome to the Lucky8 channel. We're going to quickly look into a deep dive on our LED Defender Grill. It's one of my favorite upgrades. Gives you that night rider. Can you hear that over there, Sean? That means you're doing something. We're going to take a look at how to wire it. The cool thing on the new one is that you can change the color. It's a different story. We did a video on that. All right, in the kit, you're gonna see these two wires. You're gonna try to put them together. They don't fit. You're gonna see this little block with some 3M VHB, very high bond. It's extra sticky. Depending on what you're doing for wiring, determine where you wanna put it, but I usually just tuck it in the grill. If you look, orange, green, they just kinda clip together. You're like, what? Like, yeah, pretty easy. Just rotate them a little bit until they line up. There's a locking tab on them. Boom, those are done. So now you've got your power block. It's got these two wires on it. I'm not gonna open them up, but they extend pretty far. The ground is dealer's choice. There's a ground lug right next to the battery terminal. You can put it there. Or if you're using our Garmin Switch Pro, you might wanna go to the ground with that. And the same for the power. But most people are going into the fuse box. I think it's number 4, but that's in the other video. I really did do a deep dive, show you how to do the whole install. This is just a quick review of the wiring. You're gonna get one of these. Sean, can you see that? This little fuse block slides into the fuse block like so. So you would have an opening in the fuse box. That snaps in. Again, total deep dive in the other video. And then once that's in, you run your little red power wire and connect it. So we'll pop this little jammy open like so. Let's see if I can do this right here on film, no pressure. So then you would put it in and it would grab. All right, that is a quick deep dive into what the new wiring looks like on our LED grill. Be sure to follow.